In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Webex on your PC or laptop. Whether you're joining online meetings, attending virtual classes, or just want to stay connected with friends and family, Webex is a powerful tool that makes communication easy and efficient. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step, ensuring a smooth installation so you'll be ready to use Webex in no time. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whatever else you typically use. In the search bar, type in Webex Download for PC. Hit enter and soon you'll see a list of results. Look for the official website link that usually appears at the top. This is likely the webex.com link, so go ahead and click on that. When you land on the homepage, it's usually best to navigate directly to the download section in order to save time. You'll see an option labeled Download. Click on that and it should direct you to a page where you can download Webex for different operating systems. Since we're focusing on a PC or laptop, go ahead and select the option for Windows. Once you hit the download button, your browser will likely prompt you to save the setup file. You may see a pop-up at the bottom of your browser asking where you want to save this file. Choose a location on your computer that's easy to access, like the Downloads folder. After selecting the location, click Save and the download will start. The speed will depend on your internet connection, so be patient during this step. Once the download completes, you'll need to locate the file you just saved. Navigate to the folder where you directed the download to go. Look for a file named something like webexsetup.exe. Double-click this file to start the installation process. You might see a security warning pop up asking if you're sure you want to run this file. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Yes or Run. This is a standard security feature to protect your computer. A setup wizard should appear on your screen. This wizard will guide you through the installation process. You might be prompted to accept some terms and conditions. Make sure to read through these carefully, then click I agree to proceed. The installation could take a few minutes. During installation, you may see updates being installed along with Webex, which is perfectly normal. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification or see a Finish button on the wizard. Click Finish to complete the setup. And there you have it. You now have Webex installed on your laptop or PC, ready for any meetings or calls you might need to join. To open Webex, you can usually find it in your Start menu or as a shortcut on your desktop. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you should feel confident in setting up Webex for all your virtual communication needs.